The 1965 Ford Falcon XP in striking red is more than just a classic car, it is a piece of automotive history that continues to stand tall even in 2025. When you look at this machine, it takes you back to an era where cars were built with character, simplicity, and style, but also with a sense of practicality that made them a household favorite. The Falcon XP, introduced in the mid-60s, represented the final version of the first-generation Falcon in Australia, and it quickly earned a reputation for toughness, reliability, and unmistakable road presence. Its bold red paint not only enhances its timeless appeal but also brings out the sharp edges of its design, making it one of the most eye-catching classics to ever roll on the road. When you walk around the body, you can immediately notice the clean lines, squared-off stance, and slightly more refined look compared to its predecessors. The XP marked a turning point in design, showing Ford's effort to combine American influence with Australian durability. The chrome bumpers, polished trim, and wide grille highlight the front end with a proud, confident expression. From the side, the long and smooth profile speaks of elegance and simplicity, while the rear carries a neat, balanced finish that makes this Falcon look stylish even by today's standards. The red exterior makes every detail pop, from the chrome door handles to the Falcon badging that proudly announces what this car stands for. Under the hood, the XP offered a variety of engines, and enthusiasts often remember it for the 6-cylinder options that proved both durable and economical. The Pursuit engine options gave it a boost in performance, making it an excellent balance between everyday driving and spirited cruising. The handling was improved over earlier models, thanks to suspension refinements that gave it better stability and comfort. In an era when muscle cars were rising, the Falcon XP held its ground as a reliable and stylish family car that could still provide a satisfying driving experience. In 2025, driving one feels like stepping back in time, yet it still delivers a surprisingly solid performance that reminds us why this car has such a loyal following among collectors. Inside, the Falcon XP provides that classic 60s vibe with a simple, functional dashboard, large steering wheel, and analog gauges that give you just what you need without any distractions. The cabin space is generous, with comfortable bench seats that could easily fit the family, and the upholstery in a well-maintained example still feels inviting. The red paint on the outside often pairs beautifully with cream, black, or red interior trims, creating a visual harmony that makes the car even more appealing. The wide windows and thin pillars give excellent visibility, a feature modern drivers still appreciate when they step into this classic. What makes the XP stand out in 2025 is not just its vintage charm but also the modifications and upgrades enthusiasts bring to it. Many owners restore them to factory original condition, keeping that authentic 60s look alive. Others go all out with modern upgrades, fitting V8 engines, disc brakes, updated suspension systems, and custom interiors that make the XP a blend of old-school design and modern performance. The red color especially is popular among restorers because it emphasizes the sporty and bold character of the car, making it a true showstopper at car meets and classic car shows. Collectors admire the Ford Falcon XP because it was the last of its generation and a model that closed the chapter on the early Falcon era before Ford moved toward bigger and more aggressive designs. This gives it a special place in history, and values for well-maintained examples continue to rise. People are drawn to it not only for its rarity but also for the nostalgia it brings, reminding Australians of a time when the Falcon was the everyday car of choice for countless families. In America and other countries, it is admired as a symbol of Australian motoring heritage, a car that blended toughness with style in a way that made it unique. Driving the 1965 Ford Falcon XP today is an experience filled with pure joy. The engine note, the classic ride, the firm steering, and the raw mechanical feel all combine to remind you how far we have come in automotive technology while proving that the basics of driving fun have always been around. It does not overwhelm you with electronics or complex systems, it simply puts you in control and delivers a genuine driving connection. When polished and restored, the red Falcon XP shines like a jewel under the sunlight, attracting attention wherever it goes. For enthusiasts watching on Auto Upgrade Nation, this 1965 Ford Falcon XP in red is not just a car, it is a legend that deserves respect. It captures the essence of a golden age in motoring, balancing elegance with reliability, and showing how Ford created a vehicle that could withstand the test of time. Whether you are into restorations, custom builds, or simply admiring classics, the XP is a perfect reminder that true automotive beauty lies in simplicity, character, and history. In 2025, owning or even experiencing one of these machines is like holding onto a piece of rolling art, a timeless creation that still roars with pride 60 years later.